Hello friends, welcome again. Now second chapter, colors and shapes. There are total 10 questions. Now I ask question to Purva and Purva will give the answer. First question which is given here. What is the color of a crow?
A crow is black.
Second one, what is the color of a carrot?
A carrot is orange.
Third one, what is the color of the sun?
The sun is yellow.
What is the color of an apple?
An apple is red.
What is the color of a brinjal?
A brinjal is purple.
Next one, what is the color of the sky?
The sky is blue.
What is the color of an egg?
An egg is white.
What is the color of a lotus?
A lotus is pink.
Next one, what is the color of a leaf?
A leaf is green.
And last one, what is the color of a chocolate?
A chocolate is brown.
Now, what is the color of circle?
Red.
What is the color of square?
Blue.
What is the color of rectangle?
Green.
And last one, what is the color of triangle?
Yellow.
Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end.